In this video, we will show you how to replace your seat recline handle. On this Dodge Ram, you'll have one of these located on each of your seats, and the process will be the same. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To remove this handle, it's going to be very simple. Right in this hole right here, there's a small Phillips head screw. We'll remove that, and then the handle. There's the screw. A quick inspection, set that aside. Remove the handle. There it is, friends. Okay, friend, let's get ready for the installation of our seat recline handle. This can really only go on one way. If you were to take it and come too high, it's not going to slide into the proper position. Once you get it in the right position, it'll slide right in. Once you've done so, continue on with your one Phillips head screw. Start it in and snug it up. Put that right on my bit. Double check to make sure it's secure and it functions properly. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.